Okay, Welsh Dragon Metals here. I'll be making a bar chain necklace today. So, I've already made all the links inside of this here, this glass jar, you can see. And I will be making a couple out of these eye pins. Show you how it's done. So, reverse side. This is a wire bending tool. Bend it a little bit that way. You want to do it in one motion. Just like that. And that's one of the chains completed. There, I'll show you that again. Simple matter of assembling the necklace. Made many links already. Pull some of them out. All of them, rather. And assemble the necklace. Shouldn't take too long. For that I will use a split ring opener, because it usually helps. Nah, I don't need that actually. This time. And attach them all together, closing each loop. Pretty simple. Ooh, ice cream van sounds. As you can see, they dangle quite well. Might take a little while to make this necklace. That's the wrong way around anyway, on the links. Wasn't paying attention. There we go. That would be why the loop didn't close properly. There we go. Got lots and lots of links here, probably far too many. I actually don't wear necklaces, so we'll have to take some static pictures of this. I don't like things hanging around my neck. I do wear bracelets, however. I just don't like necklaces. But many people do. It's a bit too much closed. Oh, there we go. Right, nice looking. As you can see, the chain is coming together nicely. These are in fact eye pins from the jewellery making kit. Not their intended purpose, as they're used for usually holding beads. But this is an alternate use for them, as you're usually supplied with way too many, unless you have tens of thousands of beads, that is. So this makes for good extra use for eye pins. You can also make bracelets from these, just use far less links. Stretching beyond the platform that I have it on. Getting a good length now to it. Work from the other direction. Misaligned. There we go. Perfect. A few more links, I'd say. Yeah. And I'll attach the lobster clasp. Finish the item. We'll likely make more of these and sell them on my eBay. This is gold plated copper, by the way. Two more links should do it. Make a nice lengthy necklace. tiny speck there is a piece of the gold plate itself. It was flaked off inside the ring that I just closed. That can happen, but it is out of sight. Just finishing up now. Very nice looking. Let's make this loop a little bit wider. You can support the lobster clasp. Hold on. There we go. A quick look upon that. And there's a nice bar chain necklace. Like what you see, like and subscribe, and I'll do more jewellery vids in the future. Till next time.